In this video, let us see how to convert the Markdown file to Word document using Python, and we're going to maintain the same formatting as you render the Markdown. Consider I have a very basic sample Markdown file here, and I have converted this into the Word file, and this Word file has the same Markdown formatting. So let's see how to do this. As I mentioned, this is the sample Markdown file that I have taken. Here in this file, I have some text here, and then I have some text formatting. Then I have the list, that is both an order list and order list, and then I have the table, then I have some code block. Let's see how to convert this to the Word document using the same formatting. So for that, we need some Python libraries, which is an external one. We'll have to install it using the command prompt. So let me open up the command prompt, and here just type pip install. First we need the Markdown as usual, then we need the Python Docx. So we need these two libraries to work on the Markdown to document conversion. So let me close the reconcile requirement already satisfied. Let's import the libraries that we have installed now. As usual, we're gonna import the Markdown, and then from the Docx, that is the document, I'm gonna import the document. Then I'm gonna open that Markdown file here. So with open, I'm gonna open the file called the input.md file. You can see this is the Markdown input file. So I'm gonna open this as read mode, and then I will get all the text from it. So text equal to f.read. So now we have all the text right. What I will do is I will convert this to the HTML. So HTML equal to markdown.markdown, and inside this I will pass the text. Now we have the HTML, right? We can easily create a document object. So doc equal to document, then I'm gonna add the paragraph. So document that add a paragraph, inside this pass the HTML, and you can say add a paragraph will take the HTML, and then I'm gonna save this as output.docx. So that's it. Let me run the Python script now. So Python main.py and press enter. You can say it executed successfully because we have a new document file here. So let me open this in File Explorer, and let me open up this document file here. So you consider this is the document file, but the Python approach will give something like this. That is the HTML. We are converting the Markdown to the HTML, then HTML to the Word. Actually, this will work. Actually, if you open up the browser and if you type HTML online compiler, so let me open up this website here. And let me paste the code here, and let me click on run. Consider now we got the same formatting, but we are using this online way. So let's see how to do the inline formatting. So for that we need a software called Pandoc. So let me open up a new tab and type Pandoc. So here this is the website. Let me open this one. Consider this is the Pandoc, a universal document converter. And here what we need to do is, let me create a new Python file now. So let me delete this previous document file. So I'm going to create a new one. Actually it is locked. Let me close this one, and then I'm gonna delete this one, and let me create a new Python file now. So now I have the Python file, right? Let's install the software now. So let me go to browser once again, and here just click on installation, and depending on your operating system, make sure you install this one, Pandoc. So for Windows, you can either open this page here. So you can say download page. So either you can go this here, and it will open up here GitHub page, where if you scroll down, there will be a lot of installation options here. Either you can go with this option, or I will show you another easiest way. For that you need to have Chaco. And so if you have Chaco, so let me open up the command prompt and type Chaco-F1 version. If you don't have the Chaco, let me show you how to install that one as well. So for that, again open up a new tab and type Chaco install Windows, and let's go to the A mode. Consider to install Chaco, it will give some commands. So we will have to paste these commands in the PowerShell. So we'll have to open up the PowerShell as administrator. So let me right click and run it as administrator. And I consider this my PowerShell. Let me copy and paste the first command. Now I have successfully executed the first command. Then this is the command to install the Chaco. So let me copy all the command here now to install the Chaco. So let me copy this and paste it here to install the Chaco and press enter. It will install the Chaco package manager for us. So it is very similar to the API, how we do it for Python, right? This is for the Windows. You can install any software using this Chaco. You can install the Docker, you can install the VSC, you can install any software using this Chaco. Now the Chaco has been installed. If you want to check the version, Chaco-hyphen version, I'm using this version here. Now we can install Pandoc here using this. So let me copy this command here and paste it here and press enter. Chaco install Pandoc. You don't have to do anything. It will install this Pandoc on your Windows machine. So this is the power of using this Chaco package manager. Consider it is downloading the Pandoc, and it will install the Pandoc for us. So let me press Y here now and press enter. Now it is installing, right? So while it is installing, we also need a Python library to interact with this Pandoc. So let's also install that library now. So let me open up the command prompt, and here let me type pip install pypandoc. So using this pypandoc, we can interact with the Pandoc software and press enter. Consider now the Pandoc has been installed, that is the pypandoc. Let's open up the Visual Studio Code and let's start import the library that we have installed now. Import pypandoc. Then what I will do is I will define the input file location. So input file equal to, this is the input.md file. Output file equal to, let's give you a name, output name for your file. In this case, I will type output.docx. Then pypandoc.convert file. So inside this is a function convert file. I'm going to pass the input file, and then we want to pass on which format that we want to convert. We want to convert it as document, that is the docx. Then we need to pass the output file. So that's it. And finally we can print a message like conversion completed. So conversion completed successfully. So let me open up the PowerShell to check if the Pandoc software has been installed or not. You consider now the Pandoc has been installed. So let me close this one. Now we can run our Python script. So let me open up the terminal again and let me type python main2.py and press enter. Now conversion has been completed successfully. Let me open up the this document here, and this time you consider how cool is this. The formatting has been maintained here. So this is how you convert a Markdown to document. You can also convert this to the PDF as well. So I have already made a video about how to convert the document to PDF. You can check the video link in the description. So yeah, so you can say earlier we convert these to HTML, but that was not a good. But here this Markdown conversion is pretty good, right? So this is for this video, and I will continue in the next one.